Welcome to the Pajero front bumper modification video. As you can see, a lot of Pajeros can have their front bumpers trimmed nicely and modified for off-road purposes. From 2007 to 2010, as you can see, is one shape. 2011 to 2015 is another. And 2015 onwards with the LED light is another shape. Have a look at my car, how I've cut the bumper quite nicely for maximum clearance. This is one which is 2015 beyond. As you can see, it's a nice cut. This one is an NS, earlier version. This is another cut. So the basic idea is you can get a grinder or a knife like I did and nicely trim it and cut it all along. It gives maximum clearance, gives it a super aggressive look, and it allows the car to perform better in off-road without having to hit or break the bumper easily. As you can see in the images, we're showing areas where you can actually cut. You can either do a straight cut or you can go for an aggressive cut the way like I have done as well. It all depends on the type that you have and what kind of bumper. Some even remove the LED bumper and they tend to put the old earlier Gen 4 bumper so that they can get the aggressive look that, as you can see on my car. You can see how it's nicely trimmed and it allows for maximum clearance and the super off-road aggressive looking appearance and shape on the car. But just make sure that when you do cut professionally, draw it out first, take perfect measurements so that you do not end up messing your bumper, because you can only do this once. Hope you enjoyed the video and do subscribe. Thank you.